Ini adalah tutorial hijabnya Kristen Ortodok. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jika kita sudah biasa melihat tutorial hijab dari wanita-wanita muslim atau muslimah, kali ini coba simak tutorial hijabnya orang Kristen Ortodok. Berikut videonya. Dalam pembuka video, ia mengatakan bahwa dia adalah seorang Kristen radikal Ortodok, seorang Kristen yang memegang teguh ajarannya. Kemudian mulailah dia menggunakan penutup kepalanya itu.
Video tutorial on how to head cover like an Orthodox Christian. So the photos she sent me were of her and her people inside an Orthodox church, and all of them were covered identically. White top, white this, and I know that there are lots of so if you want a better tutorial on how to do this, please go visit the headcoveringmovement.com and or headcoveringmovement.com and see my post there called the 40 best YouTube video tutorials. And I've got some, vintage 50 style, hijab style, style, sprinkle paper. It's crazy and it's beautiful. And they make, I don't even know how they do it. It's so beautiful. I one day might have to create that. So anyhow, I have this draped, and when they did it in the YouTube videos that were sent to me, they took the sides and kind of pinched them and brought them forward. So it kind of had this tapering effect. And for the purpose of this video, I am going to be using a stick pin. And it's a pretty one. No, but I'm sure it came from my wedding flowers or something like that. But I'm not going to hopefully stick myself in the neck, but they use these ones that are more like decorated safety pins in a way, and they have dangles off of it. So I don't have one of those beautiful things, so I'm just going to hopefully not poke myself in the neck. That would be painful. So I've got it like so. And what I noticed in mine's kind of a little bit wonky, but what I noticed in all the photos is that these two ends, they would actually, if you had a traditional square scarf that you did in a triangle like that, you would have maybe a lot more length right here, and they would actually pin these two ends together, and then they would hold it, keep it on their shoulders, and it would kind of flare out. So that is, I don't have a pin, and mine are pretty short, so they stay together, which I guess for modesty's sake, they would pin them together to cover the breast area, and then they would have it like this. So that is how at least I saw the photos in the video, and how I would do it if I went over there or visited an Orthodox church. My husband actually became a Christian after being in the Hari Krishna faith for 19 years, and for 10 years, he went to an Orthodox church. And so every time we go and visit that Orthodox church in downtown Austin, and it's called St. Elias, and it is beautiful, beautiful buildings, lots of icons, and we actually have quite a few icons around our house, so that part of his faith is still memorialized here, even at my house. That style of faith, but you know what I'm saying. So we still have that. So such a beautiful way of covering, such a beautiful, just a beautiful faith in general. So I hope this video was interesting. If you have any more video requests or want to school me on how to do this better, you're more than welcome to. And if you want to see more blog posts about head covering or more video tutorials about head covering, visit radicalchristianwoman.com and sign up for my emails, and you get a free ebook called The Christian Woman's Guide to Head Covering. So it's free, it's for you, and I'll tell you about my story and how.
Dalam pembukaan videonya tadi, si wanita mengatakan dia adalah Kristen radikal, Kristen yang memegang ajaran Alkitabnya. Apakah berhijab juga ajaran Alkitabnya? Ternyata benar. Dalam salah satu kitab mereka, yaitu Perjanjian Baru atau New Testament, di Korintian ayat 11 jelas disebutkan perintah untuk menutup kepalanya bagi wanita. Dan orang-orang Kristen Ortodok masih banyak yang menerapkan hal-hal tersebut sampai saat sekarang ini. Sangat berbeda dengan Katolik dan Protestan yang mereka tak mengutamakan perintah tersebut. Coba perhatikan juga Kristen Ortodok Suriah ini. Sekilas kita akan terkecoh dan menganggap mereka muslimah. Cara beribadahnya pun hampir sama atau mirip dengan sholatnya kita orang Islam. Karena sebenarnya mereka itu juga diperintahkan ibadah. Jika selama ini kita lihat ibadah-ibadah mereka di sekitar kita hanya berupa nyanyian, Akan tetapi di dalam kitab mereka sebenarnya jelas perintah sembahyang pada mereka hampir persis sholatnya kita orang Islam. Tata cara beribadah mereka pun di dalam kitab mereka adalah berdiri, berlutut, bersujud, dan mengangkat kedua belah tangan. Rujukannya ada di dalam kitab mereka, yaitu Ulangan ayat 10, Mazmur ayat 8, Matius ayat 39, Mazmur lagi ayat 6, dan Kisah Para Rasul ayat 36 dan Ratapan 41. Semua ada di situ. Namun nampaknya tidak mereka lakukan lagi kecuali dari mereka kalangan ortodok. Satu lagi yang paling penting, itulah hebatnya Islam. Apa yang diperintahkan oleh Allah di dalam Al-Quran dan Nabi di dalam hadis tetap kita lakukan. Solat kita Islam persis sama dengan gerakan solat yang dulu Nabi dan sahabat lakukan, karena Al-Quran dan Nabi telah ajarkan caranya seperti itu. Itulah sedikit info tentang berhijabnya orang-orang Kristen ortodok. Semoga menambah wawasan kita sebagai seorang muslim. Wallahu a'lam bishawab. Semoga bermanfaat.
في القلب مشاعر أخفيها قد أشرقت